Hello. I'm very excited to share with you my new product that I've put together, which I call the new Four Aces Card Magic Routines Volume 1. You're going to learn 42 amazing new card magic routines and some variation on some classic ace routines and some new advanced techniques and much more. So, included in here is 31 instructional videos and 8 bonus magic ebooks. So, let's talk about what's included here. You're going to get my new routine called the Extreme Transposition, which is a very incredible triple transposition effect with cards in your pockets. And next, I have new Martineau's Aces, which is an incredible 4-ace production. Next up is a Hofzinser routine called New Everywhere and Nowhere to Aces. I have another version of Everywhere and Nowhere. This is an ungaffed version from Ed Marlowe that I teach on here. Next, you're going to learn an incredible ace routine called the New Casting Shadow Aces. Then I have a brand new routine I call the Surprise Collector's routine, which is inspired from the Tilt created by Vernon and Marlowe. It's actually created by Vernon, but Marlowe used it as well. Next up is an incredible ace production, 4-ace production called the New Extracted Aces. Then I have 4 versions of the Tap Dancing Aces, a plot created by Paul Harris, who's a student of Allan Ackerman, my mentor as well. I have the new Tap Dancing Aces 1, new Tap Dancing Aces 2. I show the original Tap Dancing Aces of Paul Harris, and then my mentor Allan Ackerman's Vanishing Aces, which is his new improved version as well. Next, I have an effect that was created by John Rockerbomber, and this is my own handling of his effect. It's called the New Fabulous 4 Aces and the Royal Flush Finale, and it's a really awesome routine. Next up, I call the Angelic Miracle, which is my finale for the Devilish Miracle created by Ed Marlowe and Carmen D'Amico. Next up, I have New Think Tank, which is an incredible transposition of the 4 Aces and the 2 Jokers. Next, I have Caught Red-Handed Triumph, which is one of my classic routines. It includes my spin-out switch, also known as the Infinity Switch, because it has so many applications. Fooled many magicians with these. Next up, fooled many master magicians with these, I should say. Jerry Andrus, go on and on. Okay, next up, new blind aces. I have a new variation of the Darwin Ortiz's blind aces. I think it's got some improvement on it. Next, I have the new blind gambler aces, which is my original routine. Next up, another original I call the Gambler versus Magician versus Mentalist, which is an incredible 4-ace production as well. Next up is the new Slippery Aces. It's an incredible variation of a Jack Avis effect, and it has some incredible top cover pass and incredible passes and slights, advanced new techniques in these. Next up, I have Flighty Aces, which is an effect from Lou Brent. You can watch a demo on here. I have a performance on it. Next up, the Slap Aces, which is created by Nate Leipzig. This is a modern Slap Aces, modern handling, brought up to date. Next up is my favorite ace cutting, which I call, well, it's ace cutting of Jean Hugard. I don't really call it anything, but it's my favorite, very favorite. And that's ace cutting by Jean Hugard. Next up, I have one that I've created, which is a cut to any ace, which I could have the spectator name any ace, and then I can cut to that one. That's my original. Next up, I have Aces Front, which is an Alan Wakeling 4-ace production. I show it in miniature cards on here, but you can use regular cards or miniature cards, whichever you prefer. Next routine I teach is 5 Aces, which is an incredible technique and ace production, but you can use it as it's an incredible switch out created by Al Leach. Next up is a really fun 4-ace production created by Carl Fulvas called The Ace Finds the Ace. And it's really awesome. You do it under the table. It's under the table. You show them, they look under the table, they see there's nothing in your lap. You show your sleeves rolled up, everything, and then you can still do the ace finds ace. You do it twice. You produce the 4 aces. Next up is the Devilish Miracle, created by Ed Marlowe and Carmen D'Amico, and this is one I learned from my mentor Allan Ackerman, and he learned it from Dick Coaster of Chicago. I also show many utility sleights and advanced techniques on here. I show an easy false shuffle. I show a new false shuffle created by my mentor Allan Ackerman. I show some of the best false cuts that you can do, which goes along with anything of your card work. And then I include 8 bonus magic books, guides, and lists. And the ones that I include are the Card Magic Miracle 4 Aces, which has 11 powerful routines in it. And those routines are the New Vanishing Collectors, which is my original, Another Case of Mistaken Identity, which is my original, McDarren's Aces, which is a new variation of the McDonald's $100 ace trick. It also includes my Eclipse half and half color change in this. Next up is the Martineau Twist, which is an incredible Hobson's race problem transposition. Next, the Sidewalk Shuffle, the ungaffed version. Phoenix and Dragon Aces, which is an incredible 4-ace production. Next up, Jazz with Rhythm, which is a variation of the Jazz Aces created by Peter Kane. This is an updated version created by myself and my mentor, Allan Ackerman, inspired from a Jack Carpenter routine. Next up, the new Invisible Travelers. Then I show the Tenkai reverses done with multiple cards or 1 card. My Shadow Aces production, and Angel Aces and Backfire Aces. So check out this incredible product now. Click on the link to get it now. Thank you very much. Have a magical day.